Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to generate an SSH key. SSH stands for Secure Socket Shell, and it's a network protocol that provides administrators with a secure way to access a remote server without ever having to send their passwords over the network. So that's actually quite cool. So the way that we do that is as follows. I have two virtual machines running. I got one Walrus at localhost on the left and demo at localhost 2 on the right. I'm going to generate the key on Walrus at localhost. So here we go. So we need to generate the key. You need to issue the command ssh key gen trsa. So this is pretty much telling you that it's going to create the public and private key in the hidden file .ssh/id underscore rsa. You could give it a passphrase, and it's just generated the key. If we do an ls -al, it's telling us that idrsa and idrsa.pub has been created. So now we need to send over the public key to demo at localhost 2. So we need to find out what demo at localhost 2's IP address is by issuing the command ifconfig. Alright, the IP address is this right here. Okay, we need to go back to the first server where we generated the key, and we need to issue the command ssh-copy-id and then the username of the server that we're trying to send the public key to, which is demo at the IP address here, 192.168.1.11, and it's telling us, are you sure you want to connect? So yes. The first time it's going to ask you demo's password, so just give it its password. Notice how we're still sitting in our own shell, in our own local host. We still haven't logged into demo yet. It's telling us now try logging into the machine with SSH. So we need to do SSH demo, user demo at 192.168.1.11. And there you go. We are now in demo at localhost 2. Now any changes that we make here is gonna affect the virtual machine on the right. So for example, if we come to the virtual machine on the right here, and if we do an ls on /home/demo, we see that there's a test.txt file. I'm going to create another one. And if we come back to our virtual machine on the left, we do a touch test.txt2 in /home/demo, and if we do and then if we come back to the virtual machine on the right, and if we do an ls on /home/demo, you see a test.txt2 here. So yeah, any changes that you make will take effect on the server on the right. Now let's exit out of here. We are back in Walrus at localhost. Now let's try to SSH back into demo. We'll do SSH demo. Whoops, not that many O's. At 192.168.1.11. And this time, notice it didn't ask for a password or anything, because the virtual machine on the right has our public key that we created. So that's quite cool. That's pretty much how you generate an SSH key. Now, one other thing that I would like to point out is for you guys to edit the SSH daemon configuration. Let me just log in as root. Switch user to root. Alright, the SSH daemon configuration is in sshd underscore config. And I would suggest you guys, for more security to your servers, I would suggest you guys uncomment this right here and type in no. Like that, you could do other things as well. For example, only public key authentication. And there's other options as well, but that's one option that I highly suggest that you guys consider. Alright, well, that's pretty much how you generate an SSH key. If you guys have any questions or comments, please comment below, and I will do my best to answer any of your questions that you may have. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.